Welcome to my basement, where all of the things live. This is also where I film. Today, I'm showing you a real and raw video, and I'm going to show you all of the equipment that I use for filming. And I'm also going to prove to you that you don't actually need all these things, all you need is a phone. And I'm filming on one right now. So today I am showing you all of the things that I use to film with, all of the equipment that I use, the cameras, the lighting behind me, how I use them, how I set them up. I'm going to show you all of it today in this real, raw format. And yes, I am filming on an iPhone right now. I don't normally film on my iPhone because I have this fancy, beautiful, mirrorless camera. So I also have way too many things in my phone. So I don't have a lot of room. So we're gonna keep this short and sweet today. So first things first, a tripod. This is nothing fancy. This is actually probably my 4th or 5th tripod that I've owned because they keep on breaking on me. Little things pop off and it doesn't roll up anymore. This one, actually the little twisty thing doesn't go up, so I can't, like, it's supposed to go up, but yeah, it doesn't actually work. But you know what? I don't need that. It still works for me. The important thing is that it has these 2 little notches right here and here that will adjust how high or how low you want your tripod to be. Next, I have this beautiful full frame mirrorless Canon EOS RP. I have saved up for years for this thing and I love it. The lens is a 24-105mm Canon lens, and then it also has, yes, you can actually see yourself. You can point at yourself and see yourself. I love this. It actually flips down, protection and all the things, because I've been known to actually break cameras before. I actually got my Canon EOS RP because this thing, it broke. It no longer records, but I will tell you that this thing was my best friend for like 5 years. I did everything on this thing. Everything. And it's about half that price. So much more reasonable. It's lightweight. You can actually put it in your purse. That's why I loved it so much. I could just carry it with me and vlog everywhere and anywhere. And it was pretty great quality too. How did it break? Probably from the 10 million times I dropped it. But also the record button doesn't actually work after my 10-month-old knocked it on the ground. It didn't work after that, but that one's toast. I have this ring light. I got this for Christmas last year, and it's pretty dang cool, and it makes you look real good. Everything that I'm telling you about today is actually listed in my Amazon shop, which is in the description box below. You can click on my Amazon shop, and literally everything that I use and love is in that shop. And other things that you might not actually care about, like the hair product that I use for my curly hair, or the joggers that I live in every single day. Not important. This thing has this cool little knob right here, actually, woo! Dims and lights up your face and blinds the crap out of you, but oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. And then I have a good old handy dandy umbrella light that's actually broken. I actually have 2 of these things. I only use one because I use a window for my other half. I'll show you in a second what this all should look like. But this thing, it's literally broken and has duct tape on it everywhere. Literally. Nope. Wait. There we go. The reason I use this one is because it gives me more of a diffused light. If I were to just use the ring light, it would literally, you would see shadows behind me. It would be like this bright, harsh light on my face, and everything behind me would be dark. I'm gonna show you real quick how I set all of this up. Alright, so this is the view from where I'm seated in the majority of my videos. So I have my seat right in the middle of my background. I actually have a window right over here that lights the side, my left shoulder, my left side of my face. And then I have my ring light, which is a little bit off center from my camera. This is center camera. And so these are kind of both at a little bit of an angle, but because I have this light over here, I don't need another light. So if I didn't have a window there, I would have a second diffused umbrella light or a box light. So then I have this one kind of pointed at my other side, my right shoulder. So I have light literally going all the way around me. Another thing. If you're a glasses wearer and you own a ring light, this is totally obnoxious. Am I right? Even if you have like a diffused light right here, you can still see in your glasses. Totally annoying, right? All you have to do, friend, to fix that is to position your lights at an angle, as well as this one. If you point them toward you at an angle, you have your camera right in front of you. Do you see either light? Unless I'm going like this all the time. Do you see a light? No, you don't see a light. Problem fixed. So that, my friends, is a little behind the scenes for you. Totally out of my element in what I usually do. I don't usually show my basement and how messy it is, or an angle that isn't so flattering with lighting. I'm very much a perfectionist. So this video was a challenge for me, but I also want to be real and raw with you. I want to show you the real deal, the real Becky, all the things, okay? So here I am. Comment below if you're a perfectionist as well and everything has to look pretty and perfect all the time. I'm recovering. I am recovering from this being perfect all the time. In the beginning, when you're starting a YouTube channel and you're starting to record videos of yourself and you don't have all this equipment, you can't afford all this equipment, it can be discouraging. It can get you down when you want everything to look perfect and just as pretty as the other person that is doing an amazing job on their YouTube channel. You want to look like them. You want to be like them. You want stop shooting everywhere. That is like my theme. My theme for the year is to stop shooting everywhere. Just stop. Give yourself grace. Give yourself permission to be real and raw and imperfect. Okay? All I did today was film on an iPhone. That's it. I filmed on an iPhone with nothing but natural lighting from my window. Friend, that is all you need, and a laptop to edit things. Or don't edit it. Just film it straight through, raw, just like this clip right there that I'm not editing. Becky, do not edit this. Just show the people the real behind the scenes you. All right. This clip needs to end. If you want to learn how to make really good quality, professional and pretty videos with nothing but a phone, you have to download my free 10-step guide to filming a seamless video. There is a tip in there that I have made special for you, and it's going to blow your mind. It's going to change the whole phone game for you. It's gonna change it all. I promise. Go download that. It's in the description box below, and go download that. It's totally free. It's just something extra, something fun, something that you can keep close by whenever you click record for another YouTube video. All like a full checklist. And with that, I'm gonna say peace out. I'm gonna go get outside because it's a sunshiny, beautiful day, And I will see you guys in the next one. Go spread some happy.